Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you are thinking of starting your own YouTube channel but don't know where to start, well, I am going to give you 20 awesome YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for beginners. Number 1, lifestyle vlogging. Share your daily life and experiences with your audience. Number 2, gaming. If you are into gaming, start a channel where you can play your favorite games and share your tips and tricks. Number 3, beauty and fashion. Share your makeup tutorials, fashion tips and product reviews. Number 4, cooking. Share your favorite recipes and cooking techniques with your audience. Number 5, travel. Share your travel experience, recommendations and tips. Number 6, DIY and craft. Share your creativity by making DIY projects and crafts. Number 7, education. Share your knowledge on a specific topic such as science, history or language. Number 8, fitness. Share your workout routines and healthy living tips. Number 9, comedy. Share your sense of humor and make your audience laugh. Number 10, music. Share your musical talents and cover songs or create original content. Number 11, reviews. Review products or services that you love and think your audience will find useful. Number 12, personal development. Share your personal growth journey and tips for self-improvement. Number 13, technology. Share your knowledge and opinions on latest technology, trends and gadgets. Number 14, animal and pet care. Share your love for animals and give advice on pet care. Number 15, photography. Share your photography skills and tips. Number 16, sports. Share your passion for sports and create content on your favorite sports teams. Number 17, finance. Share your financial knowledge and tips for saving money and investing. Number 18, entrepreneurship. Share your experiences and advice on starting a business or being an entrepreneur. Number 19, parenting. Share your experiences and advice on parenting and raising kids. Number 20, cars and motorcycles. Share your passion for cars and motorcycles and give advice on maintenance and modifications. And there you have it, 20 amazing YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for beginners. Of course, these are just few examples and you can always create content on whatever you are passionate about. So go ahead and start your YouTube journey today. Thanks for watching.